Welcome to Foxtecc. Let's get straight to the point. How to turn off Do Not Disturb on your iPad. The quickest way to do it is through Control Center. Swipe down from the top right corner of the screen and tap the focus button, the one with the moon icon. This will immediately turn off Do Not Disturb and allow notifications and calls to come through again. If you only needed a quick fix, that's all there is to it. If Do Not Disturb keeps turning on automatically, it might be scheduled. To check this, open the Settings app, tap Focus, then select Do Not Disturb. Look for any active schedules and turn them off. Also keep in mind that other focus modes like sleep or work can mute notifications too, so check if one of those is enabled. If they are, you'll need to turn them off the same way. Another reason Do Not Disturb might keep coming back is if it's syncing from another Apple device. If you use multiple Apple devices and have Share Across Devices enabled in focus settings, turning off Do Not Disturb on one device might not be enough. To stop this, go to Settings, then Focus, and turn off Share Across Devices. This way, your iPad won't sync focus modes from your iPhone or Mac. If notifications still aren't coming through even after turning everything off, restart your iPad. Sometimes a simple reboot is all it takes to fix any lingering issues. That should fully clear out Do Not Disturb and get your notifications working normally again. And that's it. Your iPad should no longer be stuck on Do Not Disturb. If this video helped, make sure to like and subscribe to Foxtecc for more iPad tips. Thanks for watching and see you later.